Okay, in this problem, you're asked to take a molarity and convert it into a molality. So let's put those definitions down first. So we have 12.1 molar aqueous HCl. Well, that tells us that there's 12.1 moles of HCl per 1 liter of solution. What do we want to get this to? So over here on the far right, I'm going to write out just our units that we're going to try to get to. Okay, moles of HCl per kilogram of solvent. So notice a little change that's happened here. Solution, that is the HCl and the water. Solvent, that's just the water that we're talking about here. So we need to do some work to get over there. The top part of it is already worked out for us, 12.1. This is going to nicely just drop over here. We're going to have to do work here on the bottom to figure out what's going on with the bottom there. I want to point out this density, and so there can be a lot of confusion that happens with the density here. So this is the density of the solution. I'm going to write this out in a better way here too. So 1.18 grams of solution over 1 milliliter of the solution. Okay, so that's not a density of the water. It's not a density of the HCl. It's a density of this solution. So it looks like we can make a little bit of progress here. So we have a volume of solution here, and grams of solution, but we're going to have to change from solution to solvent. Let's see what we can do to make some progress with that. Okay, so I'll take my 1 liter of solution and let's make that into milliliters so we can get our hooks into it a little easier. We'll use this now, 1 millimeter of solution. Okay, right now I know the mass of that total solution. 1 times 1,000 times 1.18 divided by 1. Okay, so that entire solution has a mass of 1180 grams. Okay, well, still not there, so this is grams of solution, and I need kilograms of solvent. Okay, so I know the mass of, the mass of the HCl plus the mass of the H2O, which is the solvent, is equal to the mass of the solution. Well, I only need this part though for my molality calculation. And, so I can figure this out. So I have this, I can figure this guy out. 12.1 moles of HCl. And someone nicely gave you the molar mass there in the problem. Okay, now I know the mass of the HCl in the solution. Now I know the mass of the solvent, the water in the solution. I'm going to divide that by 1,000. That gives me 0.738 kilograms. And we're almost there. 12.1 moles of HCl per 0.738 kilograms of water. Gives me 16.4 molal, little m, molal HCl.